Makeover, 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 makeover. What's up? It's Lake.
It's Marshall. His mom.
And today it is day 3. Oh, that was a lot of numbers.
I did my 3. Oh, that's 6.
It's
still 3.
Today's day 3. And we've got the living room done. It looks pretty good. The living room looks good, but you guys can't see it because you know.
It's a surprise.
Right. So today we're just gonna work on the kitchen area. It looks very crazy right now. Wait, so are you gonna paint one side? I'm gonna paint the other.
Yeah, I can finish the blue, and then you already got the white. You have the white brush and stuff already out still. The white paint.
I think
I finished it.
Finish what?
You can do the white.
Oh, the roof, the ceiling.
Yeah, and then I can finish the kitchen.
Where's the screwdriver?
I thought you had the screwdriver.
Oh God. Screwdriver's been missing for 3 days.
One day later.
I've decided to go ahead and lay out something to protect the counter. I ran to Dollar Tree and I actually got some table covers. And then I proceeded to take the handles off the kitchen cabinets so that way I don't get paint over them, and maybe, I might want to change them. So then I began to sand the cabinets. The reason why I decided to sand the cabinets, or the reason why it's important to sand the cabinets before painting them, is because the cabinets have a gloss over them to protect them from oils and just the day-to-day messiness that happens in the kitchen. They have this gloss over them that protects them. So in order for the paint to really stick, it's best to get a prime paint.